Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. Um, I'm actually sitting at work, about to leave, about to go grab these parts for the square body. Um, just waiting for him to text me back the address and everything so I can start heading that way. But like I said, I want to give you a quick update since I haven't posted a video in a little bit. Um, the square body, I'm pretty much almost got that roadworthy up and going. Um, I had to just get a couple of harnesses, my headlight harness, my tail light harness, and my intermediate harness that connects them both. I was going to go ahead and replace all three harnesses since obviously this all original. Um, it's all original, so I didn't want to just be reusing the same old stuff, so I wanted to put brand new stuff in it. I'm already changing everything else brand new, so I might as well put brand new harnesses in it. So, I don't have them, they ate over there in the truck. I may stop over there and show you how the new harnesses. But like I said, I started to run one of them, the halide harness, yesterday before the weather had changed. But like I said, I started putting the halide harness and had to do a little more, had to do some painting, had to clean up the ground, stuff like that, have a better ground and everything. So that's why I didn't finish it. But today, I'm be heading out here to meet this guy to pick up some parts, pick up some exhaust parts for the C10. It should be like some straight pipe, some mufflers, some tailpipes. I think it's like a dump system. So it doesn't go straight all the way through. It dumps underneath right before the rear axle. I'm gonna probably go pick that up. I got my trailer behind me. I probably throw it on the trailer, and like I said, go pick that up. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna record while I'm there. I may just record once I pick everything up, once I got everything strapped down, and show y'all what I got. But like I said, okay, so you sent me the address, so I'm gonna head that way now, and I'll turn y'all back on once I picked up the parts and about to head out. All right. came and picked up. Got some exhaust. 2.5. 2.5 pipe. Do some cleaning up on it. But it's been a new exhaust. So, like I said, I wanted, that's going to dump right underneath the rear axle. It's going to be right underneath the cab, actually. That's what we're going to dump at. But yep, this is what we went and picked up. Get it cleaned up, painted up, put it on. Can't wait till I hear what it sounds like. Shout out to my man. I picked the exhaust up from. Cool as shit. Cool fucking guy. You know, if you watch this video, shout you out, man. Definitely appreciate you. But yep, this is it. So stay tuned for the next video once we get this installed. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll check you out on the next video. Alright, peace.